Hi, let's talk about how to create a Rockstar influencer media kit. Any business owner knows that influencers need to advertise their services, and your media kit that you've got is the 23 Joule stem winding wonder of technology that you can email to any marketing professional or marketing agency to say what's what and who's hot and who's not, etc. So the information that you include is going to be very important, and so is the design. So people like to see that you've got a sense of style before they even interview you, consider you as a prospect. So you're going to want to have a short bio with a photo. And rather than list all 10 things, I'm going to point you at the show notes, the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. I've got a link in there so you can get them. There's 10 different considerations to put into that media kit, and create your own checklist to make sure you've got it right. We've also got a link for this on YouTube, so if you've got that persuasion, you'll be able to see it there too. So I want to thank you for taking time out of your day. It's a wrap.